In this video, you will see how to make columns in Word Online. In Microsoft 365 Online, you directly cannot make the columns like this. However, there is one trick. To make columns, you need to go to the Insert tab and under the table, select the option Table and insert 3x1 table. Now paste the text inside the first column and in the next column. At the last, remove the space. Now go to the View tab and click on Ruler. You can see the ruler marks here. Just drag the table border and adjust the distance between the two columns. Now we need to remove the outer border of the table, and to remove the outer border, click on this square to select the table and click on Table. You will see here the borders option. Click on the borders drop down, and to remove the table outline, select the option No Border. In this way you can make columns in Word Online. If this video solved your problem, click on that like button, comment below and let me know, and consider donating $1 to support us. Thank you.